When you want to get relief from body aches and muscle pain after a long and stressful day, acupuncture and reflexology technique-based massager is an effective solution. It lets you get quick relief with a variety of massage techniques: kneading, rolling and pulsing. So, bring home your Dr. Physio foot, calf and hand massager and step in to enjoy a spa-like professional massage experience without leaving your home. Getting started is easy. Position the device on a flat, sturdy and comfortable spot in front of you. Plug into the mains and you're all set to begin versatile and unforgettable massage sessions. Put your feet into the massager points on both sides with the control buttons facing you. The massage technique of this massager is based on age-old reflexology practices, which is recognized for relieving tension in muscles and body aches quickly. It's programmed to work different parts of the feet and hands in order to relieve pain in corresponding parts of the body, or give a relaxing calf massage to relieve strained and tired limbs. You can choose your desired program to suit your needs by pressing the Auto button to cycle through 4 options: healthcare massage, the perfect general foot massage, or a great selection of foot reflexology treatments targeting the upper body, mid-body, or lower body as you cycle through the 4 modes. Remember, different programs will massage different areas of the feet in order to give attention to your chosen corresponding area on the body. Alternatively, you can choose the manual option and adjust the speed and direction settings to find your perfect hand or calf massage. To add to the relaxing experience, press the warm button to include heat to your massage for improved results and instant relief from fatigue. The massager will automatically stop after 15 minutes, but you can stop at any time by pressing and holding the on or off button for 2 seconds. The current program will then come to an end, even in manual mode. The massager also features removable covers for easy cleaning and maintenance. Its compact and portable design is easy to store and move around. It also comes with a wireless remote control for easy use. You can adjust all the settings from the comfort of your chair without having to strain to bend over. This massager is designed primarily for massaging the feet, but can also be used for ankle, calf, forearm and even hand massages. Enjoy the perfect rolling massage and find instant relief from tight muscles, strained legs, foot pain, hand and arm pain, and any associated general aches and pains with the Dr. Physio foot, calf and hand massager. Get yours today.